Now you may also want to do a kind of a drop list, but you want them to be able to do multiple selection, just like you do when using the checkbox. Let's try, and I've copied the code. Let me just drop it here. Now the paragraph says, do you play any of the following instruments? You can select more than one option by holding down control. Those of you who don't know, control is the CTRL key on your keyboard when you are using what? Windows. And then when you are using the Mac, it is the command key. Okay, it's the command key. So once you hold down the control or the command, then you'll be clicking on the particular option, so it will multi-select it. And here you can see a particular attribute here called size. The size here simply means, even though we have 4 options, which is guitar, drums, keyboard, and then bass, okay, show only what 3 options at a time to the visitor. Okay, so let's just save it. Let's refresh our page. Now this is what you see. Even though you have 4 options, only 3 options are what showing at the same time. You see, when you scroll like this, you still see 3. When you scroll up, you see 3. So let me try and select. So I hold my control, I click on this to unselect it, and I choose drums, and I choose. So now I've chosen 3. When I scroll down, 1 is hidden, then 3 is showing. Okay, so make sure that if you want the person to select 3 options, you give, let's say 2, or you give even all the 3, so the person will be able to choose 2 out of the 3, depending on what you want the person to do. You indicate your size. Let's say you want only 4 options to appear at a go to the person, for the person to be able to do his or her selection. You indicate 4. If you want 5 to show at a time, make sure your options are more than the number you are indicating here though. Okay, that is the only criteria.